Hi, welcome to Pleasure Sports. Today we're going to take a look at Billabong's Women's Synergy 302 gluten blind stitched wetsuit. This is actually considered the C-zip suit. This is the chest zip entry system. I'll go over that here in a minute. First thing I want to draw your attention to is this is a super gummy wetsuit, 100% stretch in the upper body of this wetsuit, great stretch in the lower body. And here's what you actually get for your money. So you have a sealed seam wetsuit. All the seams first in the manufacturing process were glued together, and then they were blind stitched. And the blind stitch doesn't go all the way through both pieces of neoprene. You can actually see that here on the inside. You can see no stitches. You just see the gluing. And what that does is it actually creates a pretty watertight seam. And a watertight seam actually equals you having a lot warmer experience in the wetsuit because water's not seeping through the seams. This wetsuit is a 3.2 millimeter wetsuit. That means the core and the back of the suit is 3 millimeter thick neoprene. The arms are 2 millimeter. The 2 millimeter is super stretchy, and it's located in the upper body, and those are the areas that you typically move around in the most. You'll notice no seams in the underarm gusset. And that feature is actually to allow you to stretch the wetsuit to the maximum underneath the arm, so that when you're actually paddling and stretching, you don't have any restrictions there. Chest zip entry, one of my favorite chest zip entry systems on the market. You actually zip away from you. It's super easy. It unzips here, and what you can see here is you have an open neck. How this actually works is you peel it back like a banana to the waist, you get into the lower part of the suit, and then you slip the suit up a little higher on your chest, and you put one arm in at a time. How this suit benefits you by having a chest entry is that there's no zipper along the back, and that actually allows you to have more natural stretch along the spine and not being limited by having a zipper there. The other great thing about this suit and the chest zip entry is you have this extra piece of neoprene here, and you have this pinhole on the chest. If water were to seep in here on the side, it would drain out this pinhole. Therefore, you stay nice and toasty in the suit. And you've also got a cinch here, so you can actually tighten this, and that helps keep this seal along the shoulder tight so water doesn't enter there. And if it does, it also gets to drain out the back two pinholes. Along the back core, you'll see like a shark skin material on the front and chest. This is wind resistant, wind can't penetrate it, and it's also water repellent. Water hits it, it drips down. That keeps your core really toasty, and those are where your key organs are, and that's how you stay nice and warm in a suit. This suit also has spot taping on the interior of the suit, and that means that on the critical seams in construction of the suit, behind the scenes in the back, you've got spots of taping, and that actually reinforces the seam as well as protects your body from getting any rubbing and rashing. You've got abrasion resistant knee pads on the suit, which is great. You've got some great teal accents. This is the black with the teal accents. You can see them on the lower body, the side body, and the leg. This is super flex paneling throughout the lower body of the suit. It's a four-way stretch neoprene, which is super comfortable. This suit actually comes in black with some teal accents, which is this one here. It also comes in solid black with a little bit of a silver/gray color logo, and you can see it here on the back as well. So we have a great deal on these wetsuits now. Again, it's 302 chest zip from Billabong for women. It's one of our best-selling wetsuits, and we highly recommend it. If I missed any features, you can learn more about this suit at pleasuresports.com.